couple of farmers local to me, and it's quite funny to annoy them. In fact, they were rather rude to me, so I'm just going to video for a second and see what they have to say.
A minute ago, now we've got. I tried, mate. I literally just started spinning the tractor, started putting oververse up, and then I'm fucking screwed. Winky. No. Hey, Robbie, if I go gravel...
I do apologise for any rude language, yeah?
Gravel, I'll have a go, and you can have stop for a second. What are you doing on the floor? I'm trimming a bush.
Ooh, ah.
Oh, boy, lad! Clear!
Get off my land!
Where are you? I've got a fucking retard on here and all. Where are you, Farmer John?
I'm in my field.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I am in my field near Beaton, what?
God, I reckon he sat in his bedroom looking at child porn. A little clearer, Farmer John. Try again.
I said I'm in my field near Beaton.
Yeah, sir. Fucking hell, we're picking him up, Farmer. Yeah, sir. Yeah, that's fucking Ellsbury, isn't it?
Yep.
How the fuck are we picking him up then over at fucking Covington?
Well, should we just say I'm running a bit more than what I should? Yep.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Let's call it 300.
Call it what? It's what the channel's running at 300. I don't understand it all when they speak. Right? I mean, I can't go backwards. I'm against the pole. I like it when you step against the pole. It's not a slippery pole. I ain't cutting around his fucking edge around his fucking telegraph poles, man.
Again, I apologise for any language.
I'll hit the fucking thing again. Car 9, copy. Ryan.
Don't you be going spreading them germs down the radio.
Shut up. Chat more shit that a cow's got cut, buddy. I think it's our boy on the TV who's got speech problems. I really cannot understand a word he's saying. Oh, yeah! Can you hear right? I can hear right, guy. I think this old boy's got a speech impediment. You're talking about me? You're trying to get some town, he's talking a country accent. It don't fucking work, you, does it?